In this video, I want to show you how to make a selective backup. Sometimes at the start of the semester, you want to back up everything from an old course and bring it in, but sometimes you just want to make a backup of a few items, and then you want a selective backup. Your first step is to log into As You Learn and navigate to the course that has the content that you want to back up. Now, this content can be in a previous term or on As You Learn projects. I'm going to stay on projects, and I'm going to use this particular site. Now you'll notice a link here that says request backup, but that's going to make a full backup of everything in the course, and that's not what I want to do this time. So I'm actually going to click this link and go into the course. Once you're in the course, go under the gear and choose backup. Now on this screen there are several items selected. I would recommend leaving include activities and resources. I'm unchecking a few items. Because I do want to back up some quizzes, I'm going to leave question bank checked. And I'm going to uncheck groups and groupings. Make sure you click next, because in this step, this is where you pick the items that you want to back up. Now, depending on the number of items you want to copy, by default, everything is checked. But if you just want a few items, it may save you time to click None at the top. And that way it deselects everything. Then as I scroll down, I think, well, I want this assignment here. I try to click it. It won't let me click it. Can't select it. And what you have to do is actually click the very top line of that topic block. As soon as you do that, then you can pick anything you want in that block. So I'm going to choose these assignments and this quiz and this quiz. And that's all I want. Then scroll to the bottom, click Next. Scroll to the bottom and click Perform Backup. Depending on how many items you pick, that can take a moment. You should see this screen. The backup file was successfully created. Click Continue. Now when you come here, this is a crucial step. You actually need to download this file to your hard drive so that you can then restore it to the other course. So click Download, and depending on your machine, it may just automatically put it in your Downloads folder, or it may have prompted you of where do you want to save this file. If it didn't prompt you, look in your Downloads folder. I'm going to click Save. My next step, I'm going to click this link, go to As You Learn. That takes me back to the current main As You Learn page, and I can select the course I want to restore this content to. So here's a course. I already have a little content in, not a lot, but I want to restore it to this course. So I go under the gear and I choose Restore. Here, I drag and drop the file that I just created. Now on these uploads, it can take a little bit of time. The text looks black right now, and once it's fully uploaded, it turns blue. So until then, I need to wait. The text is blue, so now I know I can begin restoring that file. So I click the Restore button. This walks through, it shows me everything that's in that backup file. I click Continue. Here you have the option to merge or delete. You probably just want to take this content and add it to any content that's already in there. So I'm going to leave it on Merge and click Continue. Scroll to the bottom, click Next. Scroll to the bottom, click Next. Scroll to the bottom and click Perform Restore. When it's all done, you'll see the green splash screen. The course was restored successfully. Click Continue, and now all of that content is in this course. Now you'll notice the site that I borrowed this from, all of this information was in the very top block, so that's exactly where it added to in this course. Once it's in, you can always drag any of these items to another topic block if you prefer. I hope that helps.